So throughout your journey, like from age 14 till now, what struggles did you really face as a young kid or maybe as a female and traveling to Mumbai and Vizag, and there are locations that you actually went. So what are the struggles you actually went through on camera, off camera, and also getting opportunities?
I think the biggest struggle was to get into it.
Okay.
But in general, it is the biggest. Let me rephrase it. In general, it's the biggest struggle. But for me, I think that came a little easy. I just got through. I don't know. I give it full to destiny. Just some stars worked out for me. But I think after that, sustaining and getting work was little difficult because I was younger. So I had a very kiddish face back then. The language barrier. Till today, I'm not able to completely learn the Telugu language. I'm still okay and I still can understand when people are speaking, but my pronunciations are not great, so I'm always conscious what I'm talking. Hence, I don't. And I think also when the language is the biggest problem, it's very difficult
True.
to communicate
Yes.
also what you're trying to say and
Dialogue
what
तो
they're
बात की बात है. It's
yes, like
communication is very
in the meetings only I'm talking about, like off camera.
Yeah.
On camera it's still fine because you're mugging up the dialogues, so it's still fine. But off camera, I think these were the main struggles. And also when you're young, you're a girl, two people from Odisha have come to Hyderabad, this new land, who they have no
Complete
idea.
different.
Exactly.
Even culture is also very different.
Everything is
Yes.
different. Everything. Language, culture, food, clothing, everything is
yes.
different. Climatic conditions,
Yes.
everything is
Very
different,
true.
literally.
Yeah.
So
Everything.
it was like so new, and I was like here at such a young age. So I didn't know what to do, what is
It
right,
feels
what
like
is
the
wrong.
fish out of the sea.
Absolutely.
Completely like that.
I think I just had my mother, that was like my biggest strength. But I think she was also lost
Yeah.
because she also had no idea.
Understandable, yes.
So we were kind of guiding each other and going through, and you know, there obviously you meet few people who are not really good to you and stuff like that. So you have to overcome that also at such a young age. I think these were the little struggles, but nothing really is big enough when you see that, you know, when you are in front of the camera and you love your work and you're doing the craft that you have always wanted to. I think all the struggles are just like very little, and
Yeah.
they're like
At
doesn't
the
matter.
end, it feels all worth it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, like getting next opportunity, is it like every time क्या आपको जाके like किसी को पूछना पड़ा कि you know अगर काम है तो बताना, ऐसे वाली चीजें?
मैंने आज तक नहीं पूछा, एंड दैट कुड बी अ फ्लॉ. मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि वो अच्छी बात है, पूछना चाहिए क्योंकि काम ही पूछ रहे हो ना, किसी का कुछ और तो
हाँ, exactly.
मतलब हक
Free
की
में
चीज़
तो
है.
नहीं कर रहे हो.
एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah.
काम पूछो तो अच्छी बात. मैंने नहीं पूछा क्योंकि मेरे को शर्म आती है, पता नहीं क्यों.
नहीं, ये बहुत लोग
मेरे को शर्म आती है काम मांगने में. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मैं अच्छा काम करूंगी तो मेरे को काम मिलेगा. मतलब लोग वहाँ पे अप्रिशिएट करेंगे, DOPs हो, डायरेक्टर्स हो, एंड दे विल रेफर मी.
They will refer, yeah.
एंड honestly till today मेरे को रेफरेंस से ही काम मिला है. I have never auditioned because
Oh,
I'm not
really?
good in I'm
Oh,
not
great.
good in Telugu.
Okay, हाँ हाँ.
To
हाँ,
get
ये
an
भी एक
acting
चीज़ है.
job I have never auditioned, so मैं audition में कर ही नहीं पाऊंगी. Only when the camera is on ना, because I'm not a trained actor.
Yeah.
So only when the camera is on, the setup is there, then only the acting side of
So
me
you-
comes out.
You basically मतलब learn through experiences.
Absolutely. Whatever I've learned little about acting, it's all on the set, through the directors I have met, through the co-actors, through the DOPs, through all the people that I have been working, that 5-6 projects that I've done. It's all because of the people that I've worked, and all the credit goes to them. I have learned everything from them, from the set. Nothing what I do is my own, because I have not been trained in my entire life for acting. I'm a dancer. That's about it. I know how to dance, and that is when the song shoot is there, no, I'm the most confident. Because I'm like, this is my craft.
thing, yeah.
I have been learning from 2.5 years old, and I can nail it. So song shoot में तो मेरा confidence मतलब 200% high होता है. I'm
मैं
like,
ही everything हूँ.
या इसमें मेरे को कोई टच नहीं कर सकता, ये तो मैं कर लूँगी. बट जैसे ही एक्टिंग आता है, टिल टुडे आई डोंट गेट टू स्लीप. लाइक आई कांट स्लीप दैट नाइट बिफोर. I'm always awake and I don't sleep, and the next day I'm working, and that is why I'm so tired at the end of the day that I want to sleep because I'm like so nervous.
Is that why you told that you were exhausted in the beginning here?
Because I couldn't sleep last night also.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's
For
true.
this?
I am nervous about everything, like
Great.
anything related
I mean,
to my
it's
work.
good. Overconfidence is also not good.
I'm
Confidence
not
is good.
confident also.
Oh my God.
Forget over confidence. मेरे को confidence भी नहीं